In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create templates in Canva. We'll walk through a simple, clear process so you can turn any design you've made into a reusable template for yourself or your team. This is especially handy if you create similar graphics often, like social media posts, presentations, or marketing materials, and you want to keep everything consistent and on brand. First, open the design you want to turn into a template in the Canva editor. This should be the final version of your layout, with your fonts, colors, and general structure already in place. Take a moment to make any last edits you need. Adjust text sizes, spacing, or colors, and remove anything that is too specific, like one-off dates or personal details, so the template will work for multiple uses. Once you're happy with your design, look to the top right of the screen and click the Share button. A menu will open. From this menu, choose the option that lets you see all sharing choices, and then select Brand Template. This tells Canva that this design should be saved as a reusable template, not just a regular design. You'll now see a few options. In the first field, decide who will have access to use this template. You can limit it to brand designers and admins only, share it with specific team members, or make it available to an entire team. Think about who actually needs to use this template so you can keep your workspace organized and avoid confusion. Next, choose the folder where you want this template to be stored. Picking the right folder makes it easier to find later, especially if you're building a whole library of templates. If you like, you can also enable notifications so your team gets an alert when the new template is ready to use. When everything looks good, click Publish, then close that window. Your design has now been saved as a brand template. There's also a second, quicker option if you simply want a personal template or a one-off version. At the top of the editor, click File, then select Make a Copy. Canva will open a new tab or window with a duplicate of your design. All you need to do is rename this copy to whatever template name you prefer, such as Instagram Post Template or Presentation Master. You can now reuse this copied design whenever you need it, and that's it. You've learned how to create templates in Canva using both the brand template option and a simple duplicate copy, so you can work faster and stay consistent every time you design.